Symbol and atomic number. Chlorine is represented by the chemical symbol Cl, and it has the atomic number 17. It belongs to Group 17, formerly known as Group VIIA or the halogens of the periodic table. Abundance in nature. Chlorine is relatively abundant in nature and is found in the Earth's crust, seawater, and various minerals. It is the second most abundant halogen after fluorine. Role in water disinfection. Chlorine is widely used to disinfect water and make it safe for drinking. It effectively kills bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms that may be present in water. Characteristic odor. Chlorine has a distinct and pungent odor. The smell of chlorine is often associated with swimming pools, where it is used as a disinfectant. Chlorine gas. In its elemental form, chlorine exists as a diatomic molecule, Cl2, and is a greenish-yellow gas. Chlorine gas was used as a chemical weapon during World War I. Chlorine in salt. Chlorine is a component of common salt, sodium chloride, NaCl. Despite its toxic nature as a gas, when combined with sodium, it forms a compound essential for human health. Chlorine bleach. Sodium hypochlorite, a chlorine compound, is commonly used as household bleach. It is effective in disinfecting surfaces and removing stains. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Chlorine was once used in the production of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, which were widely used as refrigerants and propellants in aerosol sprays. The use of CFCs has been phased out due to their harmful effects on the ozone layer. Role in PVC production. Chlorine is a key component in the production of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, a widely used plastic in construction, pipes, and other applications. Chlorine and paper production. Chlorine compounds are used in the pulp and paper industry to bleach wood pulp, giving paper its white color. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.